But if we talk about multicellular organisms, their structural complexity increases. These organisms have specialized cells, tissues, organs, and organ systems to perform specific functions. Let us find out the levels of organization in an organism. Classification of the cell. Let's begin with the whole organism and work down to the molecular level. Organisms are made up of organ systems such as the digestive system shown here. Each of these organ systems comprises of individual organs that work together in a coordinated manner. The organs such as liver, stomach, small and large intestine are part of the digestive system. All these organs are made up of tissues. A tissue is a group of similar cells that performs a specialized function, such as a smooth muscular tissue shown here. Tissues are made up of cells, and cells are the smallest units of life, which contain cell organelles such as mitochondria. Now, let's proceed to cell classification. Cells can be classified into two types on the basis of their structure, that is, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are the simpler forms of cell which makes up unicellular organisms like bacteria. They lack membrane-bound nucleus and other membrane-bound cell organelles. The genetic material floats inside the cytoplasm of the cell. On the other hand, eukaryotic cells make up complex multicellular organisms like plants and animals. They have a well-defined nucleus with a nuclear membrane and other membrane-bound cell organelles. Eukaryotic cells can be further classified into animal cells and plant cells. Both the types of cells are very similar, but still there are three distinctions. Firstly, plant cells have a tough cell wall around their cell membrane, whereas the other animal cells lack a cell wall. Second, plant cells have a large cell vacuole, whereas animal cells may have small ones. The final difference is the presence of plastids, such as chloroplasts, in plant cells, while it is absent in animal cells. Let us recapitulate the facts we have learned so far. The levels of organization in an organism can be shown as follows. Cells are broadly classified as follows. Here are some questions based on the module.